Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I will teach you on how to remove a directory in Linux operating system. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys. If you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. We are here in our environment, so let us check now if we have some directory by issuing ls command. So we have here files. Now let us check whether this directory files has a file inside of it. So cd space files ls, we have here resume.txt. Now in Linux or even in DOS or PowerShell, you cannot remove a directory if the directory is not empty. I will show you guys now. So we will return to our root directory. So the command for removing a directory in Linux is rmdir. Now to learn its syntax, we issue a command man space rmdir. Press the enter key. So rmdir remove empty directories. It means empty. No? So Q. So right now we have here resume.txt inside the files now. So rmdir files space files. We know that this directory right now is not empty, so it will display an error. Failed to remove files, directory is not empty. Okay, so let us remove its content. Cd space files ls rm to delete a file resume.txt. Press the enter key. So ls, there's no files in it now. Now, one of the interesting characteristics of Linux, Unix, or other command line operating system, when you issue a command and then the command is successful, it does not display a message that the file is successfully deleted. So you have to double check whether the file that you have deleted is successfully or not. Okay, let us go back now to the root directory. So by this time, we clear the screen. We will use the rmdir command to remove the files directory. So in this case, when I enter the enter key, so in display ls, there's no directory files. We were successfully removed the directory files in our root directory. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.